Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. This is our mission to explain cloud very easily. Right now our DynamoDB series is going on and we are looking at each and every options that we are getting while we are creating our DynamoDB table. In this video, I am going to explain you last option available while we are creating DynamoDB table known as resource-based policy. So let's start. Before I am going to explain you, I want you to find out this particular option. Here I am creating DynamoDB table. I just selected customize setting and the last available option that we have is resource based policy. Yes, this is last option but very important. Let's start with this with the mind map. Here we have introduction. If you have DynamoDB table and want to control who can access or who cannot access the table or index, you need to create resource-based policy. By creating this JSON-based policy, you can define access control of your DynamoDB table. This policy is directly attached to the table and works like a rule book that contains who, means who can access your table. This can be your IAM user, your roles, or even you can give permission to another AWS account as well. You can give them permission or you can deny permission using this policy. Then you can also define which kind of permission you want to provide to this particular user in what the action they can perform, like a get item, put item, or query. Same way, here we have another facility to provide conditions. For example, we can add extra rule like allowing access only from the specific IP address or within certain time. So, by defining this resource-based policy, we can define who, what, and the condition about our table's access control. Here, I would like to give you one simple example as well. Imagine you have table called student data. You want to allow someone from another AWS account, you must have account ID of that particular account, to read data from the table but not make any changes. You create resource-based policy and attach it to the table. The policy might say, hey DynamoDB, let account specific number read the data from student data table but only if they are accessing from the specific IP address, or you can also specify timing as well. So this is like the use case of a DynamoDB resource-based policy. Now here, I want to explain you the key features of resource-based policy as well. The first is resource level permission. In AWS, you can give permission using two ways. One, you can attach policy directly to the IAM user and then you can give permission to that particular user that you can access this DynamoDB table. Here, we are attaching this policy directly with the resource and then we are telling that, okay, who can access this particular DynamoDB table. So we are attaching policy directly with the resource here. Unlike IAM policy which applies to user group or role, resource-based policy are attached directly to DynamoDB table or indexes. One of the biggest advantage is if you want to give cross-account access using this policy, it would be extremely easy. You can grant permission to AWS principals in other account without needing to grant full access to your own account. So if you want to give access of your DynamoDB table to other AWS account, resource-based policy would be very helpful for you. And then we have fine-grained control. You can specify granular permissions such as allowing certain action like a get item, or you can also specify condition like IP address, range, or a timing of your access. So this is like the most important part of a resource-based policy. Now, whenever we are creating any video, we are always doing some research over here. We are always looking for questions that they are asking in AWS Solution Architect exam. If you look at the internet, lots of questions available on the internet as well. And if you study over there, they are asking questions about resource-based policy. Specifically, they are giving you a policy. Specifically, it is a JSON-based policy, and they're telling about what is the main access permission that you are getting from this particular policy. So we want you to pass this exam as well, and we are adding each and every options that they are asking. As a part of this, here I also providing you one policy which is very important for you to understand, because this will give you clear detail about how this resource-based policy is actually working. So here it is an example of resource-based policy. Please take care about it and understand each and every option in this policy, because this will be very useful for you in the exam. So here, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.